Yeah, in this video, I'm going to tell you about online VS Code. Thousands of people, lakhs and crores of people use VS Code, but for offline. Now it is online also. Okay, if you search on Google VS Code, you get like the link for downloading. If you click here, you get the download link. You can just scroll. Yeah, you can download for Windows, 64-bit, 32-bit, or like that. Things are there for downloading Windows, Linux, and MacBook. There are two for the downloading, but if your computer does not have a good thing for downloading it, whereas it is very simple, it is very small. But if you don't have some this much space, so you can just search VS Code online. Okay. The first link, it is like VS Code Visual Studio Code for online. Okay. If you go here, yeah, you get fast forward to today. Now, when you go to this, you will be presented with a lightweight version of VS Code running fully in browser. Look at this vscode.dev. If you click here, you go to this website, and if you don't need to go this, if you get this link, this one, then it is there. Okay, if you get there are two links, but both are of Microsoft only. Okay, if you get this link, you click here, and you get this there vscode.dev. Or if you don't get anywhere from anywhere, you just open a new tab and write vs code.dev, and at that moment you will get it. Okay, now in this, it is not like if you open this ID you will get. Now you have to add an account here. I have account. I have my account. Okay, you can just see it. I have my account here, and whatever you save here, you will get in this ID. But if you don't have any account, whenever you will open, it will be starting with the new one, not from the previous you have done it. It will not be saved. It will be saved in your computer. Okay. Now this is extensions, run and debug, and many things which are offline only, which were in offline. Like in settings, the zoom option was there. That this it was in that na. And one more thing, if you go in the keyboard shortcuts, you get comment toggle block line comment toggle block comment or line comment. You can set it from clicking here and then press enter. Okay, yeah. In this, you can change whatever, and it will be set. Okay, not like that. It will be setted. Okay. Yeah. If you open a new file and select any language like HTML, and then I write the code simple, this it will be shown like this, and everything is there are many things, command palette, and each and everything which was in our offline mode. Okay. Here it is showing that autosave. We had put it here in the file that autosave, but first you have to save it and there, and you have the things in that only. Okay. Yeah, you can see the shortcut here. Toggle line comment. This it was in the settings also, not in the settings in the sorry. Yeah, it was commented. Not in the settings in the keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, there are the shortcuts for these things also, other than online services settings, and many things are there which are okay. In this, for Zoom, we have done it like this. If you are new for this, you will not be able to understand what I'm talking about. But if you know VS Code and many things about it, you have used the offline one. that you will be. I switch to insider versions. Users, I don't know what it is. I just reload it once time, just a second. Insider vscode.dev. Okay, I don't know what is it. Switch to stable. Why? I don't know what is there. Different. What is the difference in this? I think so. This is the new version of it, or I don't know. Wait, is it the new version? Does it have my? Okay, it is a new version of it. Okay, it has opened a new VS Code for me, but I don't want it to the stable version. Okay, you can go there for one more time. Okay, it will be opening from that only. See, it has opened from that only. Plain text नहीं यहाँ पे मुझे HTML. It is getting to that only. Okay, but not the language. But if you save it after that, it will be coming from then only. No, because it is not saved. That is why. Okay. Now, thank you for watching this video. Like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Share this video with friends. I will be making an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript course as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you.